Welcome to my Brickstarter review. In today's video, I'll be diving deep into the features of Brickstarter, a platform that lets you invest in real estate projects by owning fractions of properties. The process is simple. Sign up, browse available projects, and make your investment. Let's start with the registration process. Signing up on Brickstarter is easy and straightforward. You will need to create an account by providing some basic information. And once you're in, you can begin exploring real estate opportunities. The platform is designed for investors of all levels, so whether you're a beginner or someone with more experience, you'll find it easy to navigate. Each property on Brickstarter comes with detailed information, including expected returns, project timelines, and property conditions. You could also check out the minimum investment amounts, which are often accessible for smaller investors. Once you select a project, you'll see a clear breakdown of the investment process. From there, it's just a matter of deciding how much you want to invest. The interface is very user-friendly, and the site does a good job of presenting all relevant data without overwhelming you with technical jargon. For anyone concerned about fees, Brickstarter offers transparent pricing with no hidden costs, making it easier to understand how your money is being used. If you open the description of this video, you can find many useful links to various resources. Do this after watching the video. Now, let's talk about the security and reliability of the platform. Brickstarter partners with certified property managers and other trusted real estate professionals to ensure the investments are well managed and secure. The website also provides clear details about the risks associated with investing, so you can make an informed decision. Overall, my experience with Brickstarter has been positive. It's an easy-to-use platform that opens up real estate investing to a broader audience. Whether you're looking for long-term investments or a more hands-off approach, Brickstarter offers a variety of options to suit different investment styles. Before I finish, make sure to check out the links in the description to explore additional resources. Don't forget to like the video if you found this review helpful, and please subscribe for more honest reviews like this one. Let me know your thoughts about Brickstarter in the comments below. Thanks for watching.